Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if the order confirmation emails are not sending. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there. And from here, it's going to open up this main page where in the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. If you have one, go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page from where we can get started. From here in the upper left corner, we're going to have the editor mode with the configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to go and fix this problem with order confirmation emails. As you can see right here in the official Odoo forum, somebody already posted a similar question on having this kind of problem. So if you can see, somebody had a problem with the emails not being sent, and here we have a couple of replies by people who are familiar with Odoo and who are developers and knowledgeable about the website. So basically guys, you can follow the steps right here. So what I suggest for you to do is go to the official Odoo forums right here, odoo.com/forum, and use the search bar to search for similar topics and threads posted by people who had similar problems. Then you can read through the replies, see what worked for them, or given steps by somebody who is more knowledgeable, and you can go and try them out on your website until you find a fix, and this is your best choice. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.